Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mcmbag, so welcome again and welcome. A new video for you. So yes, I'm excited for this one because like my other bags, I'm keeping them when I don't do my video yet. So now I was able to do my unboxing of this bag, and this is special because there's an occasion why I have this bag. So yes, but before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mcmbag, and click the notification bell if you want to be updated with my shorts, with my videos regarding bags and other things in my channel. So yes, bag of the week. So this is my Spontini bag that I have. She's ready to go out now because the weather is good and it's summer. Yes, we just passed freezing rainy storm and now she's ready to go out. Well, there's a sun and it's a very good weather, so she can come out today. So this is my Spontini bag that I got from the Yes page. Again, I will put the Facebook page if you want to be check her Facebook page with all the bags that she have. Yes page. So yes, this is my Spontini bag that I'm gonna use. Oh yes, so yeah, I'm happy for this one. I'm so excited to share it to you. Like I'm saying, I did not use any of my bags. I'm only used them once I've done my video, and I'm happy to share because tan ta ta tan, I have my new bag here, MCM. This is new to me. I'm not really that familiar with the bag of MCM, but when I saw her, I said I want to add her to my collection. So like I'm saying, this is special guys because it was anniversary gift of my husband to me. So it was bought since February and I did not open it yet. It's still packed like this. It's still on the paper bag. So I'm happy that I got her, and I'm super thank you to the person who assist me, the SA that assists me in MCM in Yorkdale Mall. So I will put the Yorkdale Mall. So I'm so happy to have it. So yes, I want to share it to you guys. Like I'm saying, this is anniversary gift of my husband for I think because now he don't buy me bags anymore, but every 5 years he said that he will buy me a gift, and here we go. So this is the packaging. The guy that assists me asked me if I want to put it in a box. I said yes, please, at least to feel that I'm unboxing it. So the person who assists me, the SA, is Adam from MCM in Yorkdale Mall. Yorkdale Mall. So I'm happy that he assists me. Thank you, Adam. Thank you so much for assisting me. He was surprised that I've never been to MCM. This is really my first time, guys. Really my first time. You really prepare it nicely, really good packaging, tan 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 tan. So you can see guys, it's an MCM with a blue ribbon, gold ribbon, sorry, gold ribbon. What I understand with MCM was owned before in Germany. It was from Germany, and I thought the owner, it's from now owned by Korea. It was made now in Korea. So the original MCM, mostly Bisetto, I think they call it Bisetto on their canvas, are really from Germany from before. So now it's Korea that processing and do all their bags. Now it is in Korea. So this bag is now made in Korea, not anymore in Germany. So, and their common classic bags are Bisetto canvas, like the yellow pattern. So this is my very first bag with MCM. So we'll just gonna open it. And with this beautiful dust bag. So it's really fabric canvas also, dust bag. So this is the MCM there. Guys, I'm excited because I want to use it now during summer. And I know that during summer, this kind of pattern will be in demand, or it's gonna be in. So if you need to look for this kind of bag or any type of brands, you can go in it because it will be in demand during summer. So Tan, 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 tan. This is my new very first MCM bag in the denim pattern. This is in denim in gold hardware. This is in gold, but this is in denim blue, so it's gonna be blue. So it's really a small bag, guys. You know, when in Louis Vuitton or any other brand luxury bags, they launch this kind of small bag. And well, even Michael Kors now, I don't know yet. I think in Coach if they have now, but in Michael Kors, I know they have already. But I'm so happy that this is my very first bag in MCM in this denim. Like I'm saying, guys, denim will come back this summer, and I know that it will be a new pattern. I think mostly during summer, denim is the best bag to use. Okay, guys, so I know that in this video the color doesn't give justice, but this is really in blue color, really blue there. It's really dark blue, but it's having a problem with there. It doesn't give me a good justice with the color, but look how small she is. A small bag, guys. So I checked the name of the bag. It is Mushan. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So it's Mushan Tot in vintage denim jacquard. This is in small tot bag in Italian denim jacquard and Napa leather. So it's Mushan Tot in vintage denim. So that's the name of the bag. And like I'm saying, guys, this is just small bag. There's also a big version. I said I will save for it and I will go for it also. Really good for traveling. So this is a small version. You know, like I'm saying, in Louis Vuitton they have a PM in a small size like this, and this is the one of MCM. And I fell in love with the color, with the denim and the style. So there is a gold hardware, a key lock in gold hardware, and there's a keys there inside, and it's an open, guys. This is not with zipper. This is an open bag. So there we go. And of course with a strap, it goes with the strap. So the strap is in gold hardware also. This is in gold hardware, kind of guitar strap, no design, just a plain blue strap in leather, and this is in gold hardware. So this is the bag. So what's inside? This is how it is. So it's a fabric lining inside. So this is what's inside the bag. One compartment with zipper in here and another compartment in here, but open one compartment. So this is the bag looks like. It's not a big bag, guys. I'm saying this is not a big bag. This is really good only in a small things that you're gonna use there. And like I'm saying, I will save for the big one in case I'm for traveling. It was really nice also. So we have the care card here together with it. It's really a plain bag, guys. So this is MCM. I cannot see, it's really small. There's a tag on it. So just a fabric lining inside and zipper like that. So what fits in the bag? So I have my, like I'm saying, my phone. I have my phone. We'll put it there. I have my long wallet. This is my Brasa wallet. So this is my long wallet. Does it fit? Yes, it fits. It fits. I have my pochette accessoire, and it fits as well. So there we go. This is how it goes. And if I want to put my reading glasses, it fits on the side. So there you have it, guys. This is the mostly my things that I'm carrying: my pochette accessoire, my phone, my long wallet, and my reading glasses, and it fits. If you have a smaller wallet, that would be good also because it fits as well. So this is what it fits inside. So we'll just the D-ring is on the side, so it's a gold hardware also. It's on the side of the bag. So this is how it goes. So we'll just put the strap. The strap is not heavy because it's a leather, but not heavy, guys. So that's what I love about this as well. Okay, so here we go, showing it to you. So if I want to do carried like that, it works. It fits on my arm. So you can do that also like that. You can carry it like that. Or shoulder bag. It goes good, okay. And if you want to be crossbody bag. So this is how it goes, guys. The handle, the top handle cannot be pulled. It's really structured bag, guys. So it's guys like that. And the bag, guys, it's not heavy. It's not heavy. It's really easy to carry and like that. This is how it goes to me. I hope you like this video, and if you're interested, just go to the website. Okay, also guys, if you're new first timer to buy an MCM, even in store or even in website, you will receive a 10% discount as a new buyer or as a new member. So I got this. Adam gave me a 10% off when I came there since I'm new to MCM. So that's why this, like I'm saying, if I want to compare it, this is the size, guys, of the bag. So like I'm saying, it's not a big bag, but it's just a right size to use. So yes, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you like this video, and hope you get your own also of this beautiful bag from MCM. So thank you. Be safe. Signing up, Sinai BB. Bye guys.